Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi is back, and the premiere episode has already stolen our hearts. The nostalgia is real, and fans are absolutely loving it. Let's talk about why everyone's talking about the return of this iconic show. The premiere brought back so many memories, especially for those who grew up with the original. One fan on X, formerly Twitter, shared, "I was crying like a baby. So many memories with this title track." Also iconic Saas Bahu duo Savita and Tulsi, family values and BGM. Hashtag Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi too. Original is original, boss. The emotional connection is real. Fans have been pouring their hearts out on social media, and the feeling of nostalgia is undeniable. Another fan said, "No words can describe the feeling. It's pure nostalgia. So many real-life memories associated with Kyunki. That golden era of television is back. And it's not just the fans' memories. Tulsi and Mihir's return is hitting hard." One fan wrote, "OMG, only Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi too could have brought me back to watching television drama again. Hush, nostalgia hits hard. Some characters didn't age at all. Happy to see original Tulsi and Mihir. Plus एक ही दिन में इतना कलेश दिखा दिया. Excited for more." Fans can't get enough of the magic these two created on screen. And of course, the show's entrance of Tulsi Virani was just wow. One fan mentioned, "The song and Tulsi Virani's entry were amazing. I felt nostalgic. Smriti Irani ma'am's charm and elegance are unmatched. Pure magic. Both new and old generations together. Excited to see more of it. Best wishes to the whole team." Another user couldn't help but reflect on the show's legacy. Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi changed the way we watch TV. From 2000 to 2008 for 1833 episodes, we all grew up watching it. Don't remember how many generations of the Virani family it had by the end. How long did you watch it? Do you remember all its actors? FYI, Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi too is coming. With Kyunki back on our screens, it's clear, some things just never go out of style. The family drama, the unforgettable characters, the epic moments. We can't wait to see more. What about you? Did Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi bring back memories? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and share this video. Stay tuned for more updates.